I started trading thinking I would make money in a week. Instead, I collected strategies like Pokemon and lost money with all of them. Week 1, I discovered scalping. Week 2, swing trading. Week 3, AI trading bot that never loses. Yeah, right. I had RSI, moving average, Fibonacci, Bollinger Bands, you name it. Every time I lost a trade, I didn't think maybe I'm wrong. I thought I just need a better strategy. Here's what I completely missed. It wasn't the strategy. It was the fact that I kept switching strategies every 3 days. Imagine going to the gym, doing one push-up, then switching to yoga, then quitting to try swimming. That was me, but with money. At some point, I got tired of losing in creative ways. So I did something radical. I picked one simple strategy. No magic, no AI, no secret indicators from Reddit. Just one setup and I stuck to it. Here's what I should have done from day one. Pick one strategy, understand it, test it, lose with it, learn from it, and repeat. Because the goal is not to avoid losses. The goal is to understand why you are losing. And you can do that if you keep changing the rules of the game. Did I suddenly become profitable? No, not at all. But for the first time, my results started making sense. Losses weren't random anymore. And that's when trading stopped feeling like gambling. So if you're starting trading, don't do what I did. Don't chase strategies. Pick one and give it a real chance. Trust me, it's cheaper.